In this video, we are going to finish what we started in class on Wednesday. So we're going to jump right into solving a problem, and then I'll have you pause the video while you try to solve the next problem and I'll go over it. So yesterday, the Valley Vista recycling van picked up a total of 4,500 pounds of material. Newspaper weighed 3 times as much as aluminum cans, and aluminum weighed twice as much as glass. What was the weight of each material? So it was a total of 4,500 pounds. Newspaper was 3 times as much as aluminum. Aluminum twice as much as glass. What was the weight of each material? So when I do these problems, I usually start with the last thing they gave me, because I know that aluminum is twice as much as glass, newspaper was 3 times as much as aluminum. So glass, we're going to do G equals glass, and then we know 2G was aluminum, and then 3 times aluminum, so 3 times 2G is newspaper. Once you've decided on that, then you know that when you add all these up, that has to equal 4,500 pounds. So G plus 2G plus, that's 6G, equals 4,500. And this is 9G equals 4,500. Divide each side by 9. We get G equals 500. And that is glass. So that's pounds of glass. That's 500. And we know 2G, 2 times 500, which is 1,000. So they have 1,000 pounds of aluminum. And then we can do 6G, which 6 times 500, 3,000 pounds of newspaper. Remember to use your labels. Of course, we need to be able to add all these up and have them equal the 4,500 pounds. And in fact, it does. So we're good. So pause the video and then do the your turn last week comfy cozy furniture. You start it up, I'll go ahead and solve it. So last week they sold 520 items, sold twice as many sofas as chairs, 4 times as many chairs as tables. How many of each were sold? So I'm going to start with the last thing they gave us, which was tables. So T equals tables. 4 times tables is the number of chairs. And then 2 times chairs, so 2 times 4T is the number of sofas. So we know that when we add all these up, we have to equal 520 items. So this is 13T equals 520. Divide each side by 13. We get T equals 40. So that's actually 40 tables. And then we can come over here and we'll do 4T. 4 times 40 equals 160, and that's our number of chairs. And then we can do 8T, which is 8 times 40, 320, and that's sofas. We need to double check our work, so let's add it all up. 40 plus 160 plus 320, that needs to, equal 520. And it does. That's our answer for that.